Welcome to the channel Smart Kiddos. I'm Jaishnavi and today we're going to learn Scratch It. So what is Scratch It? Scratch It is a coding language that uses drag and drop coding blocks. Scratch It is an interactive platform that allows young people to create digital stories, games, and animations. Scratch It was also created by Mitchell Rensnick. The service is developed by the MIT Media Lab. In conclusion, Scratch It is used by over 100 million users, and it's a platform that is used to create and share unique projects to the world. Here I'm in Google and I'm going to type Scratch It. And you'll see the first link says Scratch, Imagine, Program, and Share. You're going to click on that. And then here's the Scratch It's main screen. You can see the featured projects. And then you'll see Sign In and Join Scratch. Make sure you have a Scratch It account or else your Scratch projects won't be saved. You're going to click on Join Scratch. And you can create a personalized username and password. Then you're going to select the country you live in. Then you're going to select when you were born. You're going to select your gender. Finally, you're going to type your email and click on Create Your Account. And once you're done filling the information, you'll see your username right here. And that's it. You're ready. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. In the next video, we'll start coding in Scratch It. So please like, share, and subscribe and hit the notification bell. Bye!